Hello everyone, my name is AaRahn Stewart and I'm over here at Philpott Ford, and today we're going to be talking about the 2018 F-150. This is the 2018 F-150 Platinum Series. This is one of the top of the line series F-150s that we sell here at Philpott Ford. This vehicle has a lot of cool features, one of them being retractable running boards. Okay. This vehicle also features our Sync 3 system, which gives you the big screen with navigation, cooled and heated seats in this particular car because, like I said, it is a Platinum Series. But one of the features that I really wanted to touch bases on was the 360-degree cameras that we have in this truck, okay? So you see, if you hit this button now, the car's in park, and even in drive, you get a front-facing view of the camera. You also have a top-down view of the camera. And these cameras are in the doors. So as soon as I open the door, you see your view changes here on this side of the truck. And it's giving you a visual saying that the door is open. So those cameras are in the side view mirrors. But this is a parking aid. All of these cameras are parking aids, okay? If you hit this button again, now you have a full screen view of the front of the truck. But if you hit it one more time, you have a 180-degree view of the front of the vehicle. So if you were pulling out of a parking lot where there's heavy traffic or there was something blocking your view of the street, you would use this camera to see if there's anything coming, you know, to keep you from hitting another car, you know, or things of that nature. You can also do this in reverse. See, I put the truck in reverse, you got the same top-down view, got your rear view camera, and it's the same thing. You hit this button, you get the full screen view of the rear of the truck, and then you get your 180-degree view, okay? Now, there are also some camera packages that you can have added, such as, you know, one for your trailer and things of that nature, so that you'd be able to see what you're backing up to. So here we are in the 2018 F-150, and I'm trying to back this truck into an impossible parking spot. But as you can see, I'm using my cameras to help me out. They're letting me know how close I am to everything. I'm not going to hit anything. And pretty soon you're going to hear the backup sensors, you know, ringing their alarm. And I'm probably not going to make it, but this is going to be a really good example. Oh, no, I am going to make it. All right. Let's scoot forward some. I'm going to use this camera. All right, here I come. I don't know how long they've been there. Alrighty. That's the 360-degree view cameras in this truck. The truck comes with a host of other features that I'll be more than happy to inform you about. If you have any other questions about our 2018 lineup or this truck in particular, please come see me, AaRahn Stewart, here at Philpott Ford, where we're building customers for life.